So it is night number 2 of DRT at Beat Culture Brewery doing the Porsche Kickoff party. And this is sick. He just drove it up here. This is wild. All right, so that was a pretty good intro to the night. Let's go ahead and check out the other cars here. Absolutely gorgeous 997 GT2 pulling up. Stroh kit 993. Built, boosted 993 turbo. Absolutely gorgeous with this aero kit that they have on it. Looks insane. GT4 RS that was at the track yesterday, being driven the way it should be. Gorgeous Rivera Blue 993 on some speed lines. We got the Cayenne out to play. Obviously, I had to leave it on the curb. I had to be that douchebag. Then we got this really cool 996 early model, which is definitely a sleeper because when you walk all the way to the back and take a look at the engine, that, my friends, is a pro-charged 996. Then there's this thing. If you've been following me for a while, I actually sold this car to a very good friend of mine, Max. And this car was a 930 turbo, but now it is a fully caged and all built 930 that has a 3.8 twin turbo with water-cooled turbos, a G50 Cup transmission from a race car, a roof BTR clutch, and a GT2 flywheel on it with 2-piece floating rotors. Absolutely wild. I miss this car so much. Yeah. And so since we sold this car, my buddy Max went ahead and put a real 934 steering wheel that he found in Germany. And we had the AFRs, G50 Cup transmission.
Well, not more than you, but he's up there. How's it running?
Look at that. Twin plug setup. My God, I miss this car so much. The water tank is over here, right? So there are so many cars here that there's an overflow lot, which is arguably a whole other meet in and of itself. This is wild. Safari 991. Ladies and gents, I think we found the next car that I'm going to be building after the Cayenne. This is absolutely gorgeous. Super sick 997.1 C2. Gorgeous 3-piece wheels. Ruby stone cage. And then a nice loud center exit exhaust. 996 GT3 caged Kinesis wheels. Absolutely stunning as well. See you at the show. Remember, Sunday, Coconut Grove, Regatta Park. That is where DRT is happening. The main event where you will see thousands of people gathered just for the love of Porsches. See you next time. Cheers.